Hey guys, welcome to my bedroom. As most of you know, I just bought this house and it's been a long journey, and I have finally renovated my bedroom, and I know it looks great, it looks amazing, and I decided, you know what, it's time for you guys to see it, and you guys have been asking me to do a tour. So we're gonna start with my bedroom, and once this is all done, I promise you guys my full house tour is gonna come up real soon, so stay tuned. Firstly, we're going to start off with this corner here. As you guys can see, I have this beautiful velvet plush teal full-length mirror. This is my first time actually owning a full-length mirror in my bedroom, so it's been great taking like the selfies and like the Snapchats. I've been loving it so far. Moving on from the mirror, we have this plant wall. Can you guys guess if these plants are real or fake? Like, I'll give you guys 1 second to guess that. Well, I actually had like a mixture of fake and real plants because, you know, aesthetics and vibes, you guys know the drill. So down here I have all fake plants. I don't know if you guys can tell, we'll see. So down here is all fake plants, and then when you come to the middle shelf, I have like some fake ones right here, but I do have my spider plant. Now this is very, very good for like purifying the air and all of that good stuff. It actually removes a lot of harmful chemicals in the air, and it's been amazing so far. And then here I have my little baby spider plant, no, snake plant, sorry. You see spider, snake, kind of confusing, but here I have my snake plants. So cute. It's been growing, so you know, I'm a little plant mom. And then here I have this Glenfiddich, this drink right here. We got this from Germany, from Farrell's dad's house. So you know, it's very nice to have like something from your family like in your house. It's cool. Moving on to the top shelf here, I have like more real plants. So here I have my snake plant, I have here my pothos. Let me tell you something, guys, like, ugh, this plant is about to die, but honestly I have been trying. You know, I'm a new plant mom and I've been learning and making mistakes as I go. Let me tell you something, do not put your plants in direct sunlight. You're gonna like burn the leaves, and that's what happened here. So you know, you live and you learn. Another cool thing I have on this wall is my storm glass. This is what it looks like. When you shake it, it kind of tells you what the weather is like. If it's clear liquid, you know, it means the weather is really, really good. You know, if you have like large flaky crystals, it's like cloudy skies and all of that. So it's been nice to have. So moving on to this part of my bedroom, which is my favorite, absolutely favorite part, is this beautiful couch here from Article. They gifted this to me and I have been in love with it so far. The color is amazing. It goes with my decor style. When I was decorating this room, one of the major things I wanted was to always feel peace and tranquility when I walked into my room, somewhere to quiet my mind, and I decided to go with a boho minimalist look. So this couch was like the perfect couch for my decor style. And obviously on this side I have my end table as well. You know, it's cute or whatever. I have the brass legs to actually match my lamp. So when you go over here, I have my lampshade. This is like this huge oversized lamp. As you guys can see, it's brass here. I love the little tiny details right here, like the screws and everything. And then the leg of the lamp is marble, but you guys can't see that because it's behind the couch. And then here as well, we also got this from Farrell's dad's house in Germany. So you know, it's been with us ever since then. Also, it was in my former house as well, but it was in my living room. So it's nice to have those little pieces of home everywhere. And then lastly, we have this little footstool, and you know, it's just perfect to rest your legs, and my cats love sleeping in it as well. So you know, it's a win-win situation for me. Moving on to this side of my room, obviously we have the electric fireplace. Like Farrell was the one that mounted this, so good job to you babes, you did amazing. We just saved it. We knew that, you know, we wanted to buy a house someday, and it was cheap. We only got it for like $200 because it was on sale, and we just had to grab it. Okay, so you know, we saved this for 2 years and we finally found a place for it, so that's been amazing. Moving on, this is just an extension of my other plant wall. Here I have like all real plants up here, and they're growing, guys. I'm so happy. Like when I saw this little thing, I was like, yes, My plants are growing. I'm doing an amazing job. I'm a good plant mom. So, you know, that's been really, really amazing. And I decided to put the real plants closer to our bed just to help us like breathe better. You guys know that Farrell is asthmatic, so, you know, breathing is very important in this household. So moving on to this lower shelf as well. So here I have a little bit of some style books, you know, and I've been reading up, you know, just to know what kind of style I want to for my house when I'm decorating and furnishing and doing all of that stuff. So I do have like some books to help me with that, like elements of style. And then here I have this from Germany as well. Like, it usually sounds like everything in my house is actually from Farrell's dad's house, which is crazy. But yeah, we took this from Farrell's dad's house. It's really, really cute. Kind of reminds us of home, reminds us of Nigeria, and it's very, very important that, you know, my house incorporates little elements of my culture. So yeah, we have that. We have all these beautiful things right here. So moving on to this side, we obviously have our bed. This is our king size bed. We got this from Article as well, and they gifted this to us, and this bed is so beautiful, guys. It actually goes with, again, my decor style, which is boho minimalist. Here it has the nightstands that are connected to the bed, so this was very, very handy. We didn't need to buy like a separate nightstand and create all that space. So from afar, it kind of looks like the nightstand is floating, which is so cute and so nice. And then we have our night shades. This we also brought from our former house. So yeah, a bed, very, very comfortable. I always ensured that, you know what, my sheets in my new house always have to be clean. Only white sheets, guys, only white sheets. So moving on to my artwork. Once again, I needed something to remind me of home. I do not want any generic Walmart, IKEA painting in my house. So I found like this artist on Etsy and I fell in love with her work, and then I was able to get this from her. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And then moving on, we have our, what's this called? Ottoman? Ottoman. So moving on to the end of our bed, we actually have our ottoman right here. Again, this is from Article. There's like a ton of storage space, like right here and right here. We kind of keep our laptops in here just to always make sure the room is tidy and clean. Yeah, and then moving on to this side, right opposite from our bed, we have our entertainment system, which is just that TV, guys, honestly. It's just that TV and a speaker. And we have this dresser as well to kind of match our bed, and our ottoman is from Article. It's obviously a 9-drawer dresser. Does that make sense? Yeah. We just use this to like store some of like our clothes and all of that stuff. And then moving on to this little corner here, I have this little vase that I got as well, just to like fill up the area a little bit more. And then when you exit our rooms, we have our closet. So my closet is in here, right? It's a walk-in closet, and Farrell's closet is all the way in here as well. You know, some his and her situation going on here. But I'm not going to show you our closets yet because they are not completely done. So when I do my entire house tour, I'll definitely show you guys. And this is the end of my house. Well, this is the end of my bedroom tour, guys. I really, really hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much, Article, for gifting me these beautiful, timeless pieces. I'm honestly so grateful. And yeah, until next time, my loves, peace and love. Mwah.